This is on the Civic 2008 Coupe SI. I'm going to show you how you change your PCV bulb, and this is the tools that you guys have to use. Extension 3/8 and 11/16 deep socket enable you to can get that. This is where the location of the PCV bulb. First of all, you have to remove this one right here. You enable you to can get that and have the space you to do it from the PCV bulb. Unplug this hose right here, located at. Gotta remove that. Actually, I already did it, so I gotta remove that, twist it. And this is the old one, and this is the new one that I got it from the dealer. But the washer that it came from the old one, you had to use that one from over here too. This one. But you gotta make sure and precisely it has the same one that you can get from the dealer. That one. And you gotta put it back. You gotta use this one. Let me see how to do this. Never got it. There you go. That's it.